Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a peaceful start to the new year 2021. Let's hope it's a good, healthy, happy, peaceful new year ahead. Okay, let's get started. So today we're going to look at wildcards. Wildcards are a really powerful concept because generic classes can use wildcards in order to switch and swap different types. Let's just go with that wording for now, but it's not really the correct. Let's just have a look at the example and you can see what I mean. So here we just have an example of a class called total numbers, and we have number as the list of numbers. And here we have 1, and you can see here there's an integer, and then there's a double, and then there's another integer, and then there's a double because we're taking it as number, which is our superclass of our primitive types, which are byte, double, int, long, float, short, etc. Here then we have a list also of number, an array list, which is great, which means it's expandable. Lovely diamond operator here, which we had a look at in the previous video as well for stacks, but we're using the diamond operator for something else. Now we have our enhanced for statement, and we pass through our numbers from here, and we add them to the number list. So all these now, 1, 2.4, 3, 4.1 are all in number list. And then we just print it out. And then we also call this method called sum, which takes a private static double sum, and it takes the list number and it's type double. So you can see here that this is still going to work, and it's going to take the primitive and box it. So with every one of these, because generic classes can be used only with class or interface types, the numbers would be auto-boxed. So I think we spoke a little bit about the primitive types being int, byte, short, long, float, and if I hover over this, I'll be able to see the rest of them. Byte, double, float, int, short, long. Yeah. So there are primitive types, but we want to use the objects as well, so we have to auto-box them. And then when we auto-box them, for example, an int would then be auto-boxed into the integer object, and any double value will be auto-boxed then into the double object. So when we declare this list here, number list, we're using the superclass of both integer and double because the type is here and it's number, and that is our superclass. So you can see here when I press play that it sums up the total 10.5, and it actually does show the total number of elements, total of the elements in number list, which is 10.5. So because the initializers are primitive values, Java auto boxes them into their corresponding object. So int being integer, double being double, and then the method uses double values to perform calculations and return the result as a double. The for statement then here, which is our enhanced for, and if you're unsure, please go back and check the enhanced for video, then that uses the number method double value here. If I hover over it, you can see double java.lang.number.double value, and returns the value of specified number as a double. And so it obtains the number of the underlying primitive value as a double. So that is it for today. It's a very short video, and the continuation is next week, which is going to finish off our generic classes and methods, a deeper look, and then we're going to move on to a different topic. Yay! So I wanted to start off easy and then pick up pace and do longer videos as we go. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm so grateful and happy that we have more subscribers subscribing to the channel, and people are sharing it as well. Please share if you can. I know to continue making more videos, and Happy New Year! So stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.